Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to make a automatic sanitizer dispenser machine. For that we need a 3 to 6 volt mini submersible motor pump, one 3.6 volt lithium ion battery cell, one switch for testing purpose. This is a deodorant cap which I have removed from a deodorant bottle. One infrared obstacle avoidance IR sensor module, a PET bottle. This deodorant neck has a small hole where the sanitizer can pass easily. Make sure that you are taking a big neck bottle, water bottle, so the pump enters into the bottle. So now we are going to test this pump with motor manually. We'll check the pressure of this motor pump. So we can test the motor pump. You can see the water is getting pumped. The pressure is not so high, but it can manage at least. So I'll be fixing this pump in the bottle now. We'll do the IR obstacle sensor wiring, then we'll check this. We are doing a automatic hand sanitizer machine. So I am using a PIR sensor here with BC547 transistor and a relay in the back side. I'll be explaining the circuit after the demo. So I have connected the motor here also. I am using 18650 battery cells. 18650 battery cells. So as you know, this potentiometer is used for sensitivity and this is for the timer. I have kept the sensitivity to low and also the timer is reduced to the minimum. So now we will be testing it. I am pouring little water into this. So let me test this. So I am going to test it now. So in the demo it is working fine. We are going to assemble this. I will be explaining about this circuit now. So this is our circuit. The PIR sensor consists of 3 pins: VCC, out and ground. VCC will normally be the first pin, out will be the second pin and ground is the third pin. The emitter pin is connected to the ground from the BC547 transistor. The base is connected to the output and the collector will be connected to the relay. The first pin of the relay is connected to the VCC of PIR sensor. This is connected to the positive side of the battery or power supply, and the negative of the power supply will be connected to emitter and ground pin. So the collector is connected to the last pin in the relay, 6 volt VDC relay. Finally, we have to connect the pins to the motor. So positive side of the motor is connected to either VCC of PIR sensor or relay, and negative is connected to NO of the relay. So this is all about our circuit. I am going to test the sanitizer now. It is working very well. So the same sanitizer I have constructed using two sensors. One is PIR sensor. This is done using IR sensor. When I use PIR sensor, the sensitivity is very high. When a human crosses the hand sanitizer, it starts working. So it is better to use IR sensor. The PIR sensor works with the help of human heat, which cannot be used for this circuit, and it is not so safe also. So coming to the IR sensor, it is very accurate. The timing delay is also perfect. In PIR sensor, the minimum time it takes is 1 minute to turn off. So PIR sensor was not so feasible for this circuit. That is the reason I am using IR sensor here. So we can just take a look of our sanitizer now. This cap here I have taken from deodorant bottle. It is very easy to build one like this. The components are also very less. It hardly requires 3 components. I'll be explaining about the components and the circuit now. So this is the circuit of the automatic hand sanitizer machine. The IR sensor module, TIP32C transistor, battery and water pump. Output pin is connected to the base of TIP using 1 kilo ohm resistor. Ground pin is connected to the negative of the battery. VCC is connected to the emitter of TIP32C. For output, we are going to take from the collector and connect it to the positive of the pump. Negative from the battery we will be directing to the pump. So coming to the components, there are 3 components: infrared obstacle avoidance IR sensor module, TIP32C, this is a PNP power transistor, submersible mini water pump 3 to 6 volt. This will work from 3 volt to 6 volt. So the cost of IR sensor is 32 rupees, TIP32 transistor is 19 rupees, submersible mini water pump costed 55 rupees. So the cost of this overall circuit will be around 150 rupees. Please try to purchase the same components for better results. If you are not getting this 32C transistor, if it is not available, you can use 42C. So let us check the demo of this. The automatic hand sanitizer is ready now. So coming to the construction, I have kept all the components inside the box. So this is the IR sensor, transistor, battery, sanitizer is filled inside. So it is ready to test. I'll be testing this now. Friends, as we have seen the demo of this hand sanitizer, this is very useful in all the places. Manual hand sanitizer, a person has to press the lid or the cap, only then it will work. So in this there is no need to touch. When you just cross the IR sensor, it starts working. You have to disturb it, that is the thing. This is very safe. I recommend this. Kindly try this. Thank you friends. Subscribe for more videos.